Alright, so my parts arrived finally for my S22 to replace the SIM slot charger slash antenna, since it's got broken pins ever since they changed my screen. So let's hope this fixes the problem. Let's have a look at the current signal. So what happens is my physical SIM card disconnects sometimes, and it just gets the little circle with the line across it, and my eSIM just gets no service. It goes to emergency only, so that's why I had to get these parts. Looks like they're from China, but they did ship pretty quickly. So let's have a look here. So I think this is the charging board. Yep, it is. So that's pretty cool, having a closer look. I don't know if you can autofocus on that, but yeah, sorry for the reflection. There it is. And then this should be the ribbon for the antenna. Yep, cool. So this is the one that's broken. And on the board, it was this that's also broken. This pin section that's missing like a tooth or something. And same with the connector. I think it was from sub. It's missing like one of the ends from, yeah, you can't see it. So let's go ahead and turn it back off, and we'll go ahead and start replacing the parts. So first things first, we'll just remove the back, which comes off fairly easy because I've removed this backing quite a few times already. So yeah, I can just pretty much use my finger to run it across to remove the backing. Okay. So normally I can just remove the wireless charging pad and flip this up to access the bottom, but because I have to change this ribbon, I'll also have to remove the screws up here. So I'll start doing that now. Alright, so there's my magnetic strip. I'll put all of the top screws in A. It's really bad lighting too, because I've got a downlight right above my monitor, which is causing this glare. I'm not sure if I can do anything to block it. Maybe I can. Alright, so got all the screws out. Now we'll take off the charging pad. There, that just comes out, and you can lift the tip here on the bottom, the clip on the bottom that holds this into place. It can kind of pry out here. You can do that. There's that tip. Okay. Now we will take off the antenna. So this is the antenna that has the problem. So if we take this out, you'll see that the subside has, yeah, if you look very closely, which I'm not sure you can see because this camera sucks, but we'll take a photo. I'll put them side by side so you can kind of see and gauge where it's broken. So now I'm going to take off this board. So this has to go top to the side. Okay, so that doesn't get damaged. So we can put it on. There's three screws from what I can see. I'm going to take them off first. And then these screws should go to C. One. Two. Three. Okay. Right, so this board should technically, I believe, just come out. There you go. Cool. Just like that. So yeah, it sits in there pretty snug, bottom in first, kind of like that. So yeah, to take it out, I just pried it from the bottom, and then yeah, you can see it just popped up. There you go. And that's the old SIM slot slash charging port. So hopefully you see that thing. Hopefully I can get it work. Right, so let's go. This is the new one. I'll put the new one on top of the plastic, so we can do a comparison, side by side comparison, to see if there's any real difference. Okay, I'm just going to take a photo since it doesn't really fit in the screen. Anyway, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Alright. Okay, so I hold and hold it. Okay, so I should take this little tab here. Okay, let's see what works. Maybe we'll put a bit more. Anyway, since they screen, then we order it. Alright, so it goes in there, just like that, and you just leave it. Don't let that again. So let's push anything on the tools instead of before. Okay. Okay, so we use it, screw at least, and this one's screwed in. Alright, that's one. Oops, shouldn't screw. Should have tight. Two. And that's three. 1, 2, 3, that's 3. Cool. Good. And the last part, the antenna. Alright. You can definitely see the difference between the new and the old. Let's take a photo just to see the comparison. Alright, so let's get rid of this broken one by... So, alright, so let's start with the top. Make sure it's nice and sleek without so much pins. Just until you line up, you just feel for it. And once you have a feel for it, you just click it. There you go, click, in, and then same inside. So now you feel for it, I see you made it, you feel, basically working. When you mess it up, then that's where you put everything in. Okay, well that looks like it's in. Okay, beautiful. Looks like it is in. So you can actually turn it on without putting the charging pad back on. Let's see if this all works now. Alright, moment of truth. Am I going to get service? What's going up? What's going up? Sleep moments. Sleep back. Sleep out, you can see. So that's all good. Yeah, cool. Sleep back to the brush. Use my said brush for 15 francs since it's cleaned out. And take use. Use these 4 keys now. Cool. So you can back out. And let's have a look. Am I getting signal? Alright, pretty. Very good. Okay, so now let's put the SIM card in. To here. Put it in and see if it initializes. I'm already in the SIM manager. Yep, straight away. Bang. Done. Roaming. This is a roaming SIM, so expected. Let's get this back together. Okay. Actually, before I put it back together, let's make sure it charges. Oh, this one through. I think that's will. But you never know. Let's see. Yep. She's fast charging. Sorry, yeah. She's too fast. Yeah, fast charging. Okay. This is the what I'm going to make. Anyway, yeah. Okay. Make it nice. Relapse, having the screws. This device devices. This one. Okay. The only problem now is I have a word for phone in. I think also one device is overdoing basically. Or send it to Samsung. Which one we want? Since yeah, no idea what I'm doing. Last one is the bottom. Okay. Right, so right now top. Okay. Okay. Right. Make sure it's far away from my phone, but it's not going to my face. Anyway. Right, wait then. Do that, good. Okay. Alright, so done. Let's put the back on, and then see if it charges. I'm sure it will. Okay. Oops. Hey, is this fast charge? How's that? Oh, yep, that's good. Nice fast charge. Good to go. So that's that. I was able to change it. Sweet. All good. Working well. So yeah, verdicts. Probably worth doing it. I mean, if you can do it yourself and you have the tools, then why not? Otherwise, you're going to be paying hundreds of dollars just for somebody else to do it for you. There we go. 5G. Beauty. Let's do one more speed test, actually. Let's try. Oh, not currency converter, speed test. And let's go. Stay on 5G, hopefully. Okay, speed testing. There you go. Yeah, definitely works. Beauty. Alright, I guess I'm happy with that. It cost about $70 for the ribbon and the board, and yeah, it's all good. Done. Alright, let's finish up.